gray, slender hands and eyes of faded blue. Autumn leaves sing where your footsteps stray, a hollow path that leads away from you.
Rain still whispers through the emerald leaves, watching shadows drift within the mist. Quiet steps where lonely spirit grieves, a sudden chill, a soul by sorrow kiss.
The rain descends, but where are you tonight? Lest tomorrow brings a world of grief. How can we hold on to fading light? Return to me and bring my heart relief. Rain still falls upon